Hey there, folks. You know I love a good laugh, but today we're talking about something serious, MS. And get this, did you know that people with MS are more likely to struggle with depression than people without it? It's true. It's like getting hit with a double whammy. Not cool, MS, not cool. But hey, we're not here to dwell on the bad stuff. We're here to shine a light on it and say, hey, let's talk about this. We're diving into the wild world of MS and mental health. It's going to be a bumpy ride, but hey, at least we'll have each other, right? All right, let's break it down. Picture this, your immune system, the bouncer of your body, suddenly goes rogue. Instead of kicking out the bad guys, it starts attacking your nerves. Not cool, immune system, not cool. That's MS in a nutshell. This attack messes with the way your brain talks to the rest of your body, leading to all sorts of wacky symptoms. Fatigue, vision problems, balance issues, you name it, MS might bring it. It's like your body's playing a never-ending game of what's wrong with me now, and to make matters worse, this whole MS shebang can really do a number on your mental health. Talk about adding insult to injury. Now, I'm all about keeping things light, but it's important to hear from real people living with MS every day. Their stories are not just inspiring, but also a testament to human resilience and the power of community. Take it from Sarah, a rock star who refuses to let MS define her. She's an avid runner, a nature lover, and someone who finds joy in the little things. She told me that dealing with the physical symptoms is one thing, but the emotional roller coaster that comes with it is a whole other beast. Sarah often finds solace in quiet moments of reflection and deep conversations with friends. Then there's John, a super dad who uses humor as his secret weapon against MS. Whether he's playing with his kids at the playground or sharing a laugh with friends, John believes that a positive attitude can make a world of difference. He says laughter is the best medicine, and you know what? I've got to agree with him. Laughter brings people together, and in those moments of joy, the weight of MS seems a little lighter. These stories remind us that behind the diagnosis, there are real people with real emotions navigating this crazy thing called life with MS. They find strength in their communities, in nature, and in the simple act of sharing their journey with others. They're fighters, every single one of them. Their courage and determination are a beacon of hope for anyone facing similar challenges. So let's celebrate their victories, big and small, and continue to support one another in this journey. Section 4, the science behind it, MS and mental health. Okay, so we've heard the personal stories, but what do the smarty pants scientists have to say about all this? Well, turns out there's a real link between MS and mental health. Studies show that inflammation, the troublemaker behind MS, can also mess with our brain chemistry. It's like MS is playing a cruel prank on our brains, making it harder to feel happy and in control. But here's the good news. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand this connection and find new ways to help people with MS live their best lives. They're like the superheroes of the medical world, fighting for a cure, one experiment at a time. Section 5, feeling good. Tips for a healthier mind. So we know MS can be a real downer, pun intended. But the good news is there are things you can do to fight back and feel better. It's all about taking small, manageable steps that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. It's all about taking care of your mental health, folks. First up, mindfulness. It sounds fancy, but it's really just about being present in the moment. Mindfulness can help you reduce stress, improve your focus, and even boost your mood. You don't need any special equipment or training to get started. Just find a quiet spot, take a few deep breaths, and focus on the here and now. Think of it like this. Instead of stressing about the spilled milk of yesterday, focus on enjoying the cookie you have today. It's about appreciating the small joys in life and not letting past mistakes or future worries steal your present happiness. Get it? Next, therapy. Talking to a therapist is like giving your mind a spa day. It's a chance to unload your thoughts and feelings in a safe, non-judgmental space. Therapy can provide you with valuable insights and tools to manage your mental health more effectively. It's a safe space to vent, process your emotions, and learn coping mechanisms that actually work. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or just the everyday stresses of life, therapy can be a powerful ally in your mental health journey. Trust me, it can be a game changer. And last but not least, support groups. These are communities where you can share your experiences and hear from others who are going through similar challenges. Connecting with others who get it can make a world of difference. It's comforting to know that you're not alone and that there are people who understand what you're going through. Support groups can offer practical advice, emotional support, and a sense of belonging. It's like having a cheering squad in your corner, reminding you that you're not alone in this journey. So take these tips to heart and remember, a healthier mind leads to a happier life. Section 6. You're not alone, finding your MS tribe. Well, folks, there you have it. The lowdown on MS and mental health. Living with multiple sclerosis can be incredibly challenging, but it's crucial to remember that you don't have to face it alone. Finding your MS tribe can make a world of difference. It's a complex issue, but the important thing to remember is that you're not alone. There are countless communities, both online and offline, where you can find support, share experiences, and learn from others who truly understand what you're going through. Whether you're living with MS or know someone who is, reach out, connect, and support each other. Building a network of friends, family, and fellow MS warriors can provide emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of belonging. Together, we can break down the stigma surrounding mental health and create a world where everyone feels empowered to seek help when they need it. By sharing our stories and experiences, we can foster a more understanding and compassionate community. And hey, if you have a story to share or know of some great resources for people with MS, drop them in the comments below. Your insights could be the lifeline someone else needs. Let's keep the conversation going and spread the word that mental health matters. Every voice counts, and together we can make a difference. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on MS and mental health. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for the community. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips, research, and personal stories that can make a difference in your journey with MS. Every like, share, and comment contributes to spreading awareness and fostering a supportive community. Together, we can continue to break down barriers, offer hope, and inspire change. So hit that subscribe button and join us in making a positive impact. Thank you for being a part of our tribe. Until next time, take care and stay strong.